am unboxing the Whitesand WSM200 dual wireless microphone system. Let's see what we have in the box here. All right, I have the Whitesand WSM200 microphones, all unpackaged, blue and orange coated ones. Just going to turn one on here so you can see up close what it does when you turn it on. Looks like it shows the channel that it's on, and it goes to the frequency, and it shows the battery indicator up at the top. So it's pretty simple setup. Same with the other one. Then the receiver you have that you turn on and plug into your sound system. That's feeding the speaker system. You turn that on the side there, and it lights up on the other side. Okay, so I've opened up the batteries here, and I'm about to insert them into, looks like the bottom of these screws off. Both microphones, and there's a little compartment that just holds both the batteries. So I'm going to input those as this is the receiver, and that is what the USB charging cord is for the rechargeable receiver. So I'm going to plug that in and get that charging up here. Okay, as you can see on there, there's a spot for the USB to be plugged into. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to plug that right into there, like so. And then we're going to plug the other end into the USB charging port. And as you can see, immediately a light comes on showing that that's charging. Okay, so as seen here, the lights turn off when it's done charging. So it should be fully charged now. We're going to go do our testing of this microphone system. There is a switch that you have to use to turn the receiver on, and then that will light up the green light on the side. So you do that before you plug it in, or right after you plug it in, either way. Over here at the mixing board, I have turned on the receiver, and I'm going to just plug that into my channel 4, which I'm going to use as my testing channel for the microphone. I'm going to test the microphones by going in distance at increments to the other side of the room there. As you can see, that's quite a ways, and that's the longest testing distance that I have in this particular building. So here we go. I'm on the blue mic now, testing 1, 2, 3. Blue mic right by the mixer, testing 1, 2, 3. Orange mic, testing 1, 2, 3. Orange mic, testing 1, 2. I'm going to go back and I'm going to test them one at a time and then together.
Blue mic testing 1 2. Orange mic testing 1 2. Both together testing 1 2. Blue mic testing 1 2. Orange mic testing 1 2. Both together testing 1 2. Blue mic testing 1 2. Orange mic testing 1 2. Both together testing 1 2. Blue mic testing 1 2. Orange mic testing 1 2. Both together testing 1 2. I think these are good value microphones. You don't hear any interference with them whatsoever when they're both together. So that's a good feature to have in microphones for separation of frequencies.